Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. This is 15th lecture of your Progressive English Unit 3, London. Today our topic is Poetry, Island Man. Open your book on page number 83. Here is Poetry. With this poem on page 84, we have come to know London in late 20th century. The poet Grace Nichols was born and brought up in Guyana, a country in mainland South America, but which is culturally means काफ़ती, similar to a Caribbean country. Caribbean means students छोटे जज़ायर. She came to England in 1977 and wrote this poem when she was living a part of London where she could hear the constant roar of traffic on one of its busiest ring road, the North Circular. Roar mean गिरज की आवाज़. Now come on next page number 84. Here is Island Man. The summary of the poem is Island Man is a short poem that focuses on cultural identity of a Caribbean man who wake up in real-time London but who is still dreaming about his native island. Grace Nichols based her poem on her actual real life experiences when she first came to UK and London in 1977. Now come back on page number 84. For a Caribbean country man in London who still wake up to the sound of the sea morning and island man wake up in the sound of blue surf. Surf means student सैल की मौजें, सैल की लहरें, surf to his head, in his head. An island man wake up to the sound of blue surf in his head. The steady breaking and warbling wild seabirds. Seabirds mean students समंदर के परिंदे. And fishermen pushing out to see the sun surfacing defiantly mean Urdu mean heat, you can say, from the east of his small emerald means student stone, patthar. Emerald mean stone, Urdu mean patthar. Emerald Island, he always comes back groggily. Groggily means students English meaning you can say boring and tired. Urdu mean badmizaj. Comes back to sands. Come back to sands of a grey metallic shore mean बढ़ती हुई इजाफा. To arch of wheels. Arch means जोर से हिलना हिलाना. To dull north circular roar. Muffling means student as something hidden, छुपना. Muffling his crumpled pillow waves. Crumpled mean चिकना चोर. Pillow waves. Island man heaves himself another London day. Students, you have to read this poem 2 or 3 times, then you will understand. Not difficult. This poem easy to understand. Now come on page number 85. Here are questions. What can island man hear as he wake up? He heard the sound of the sea. Question number 2. What can island man see in his imagination as he wake up? He can see in his imagination the sound of blue surf in his head. Question number 3. What in reality are the sounds of the sea? In reality, the sound of the sea are roar of traffic. Question number 4. What in reality are the waves? In reality are the pillow waves. Question number 5 is not important. Students, task number 1 and 2 you have to do on your own self. This is your homework. Note down your homework reading page number 83 and 84 2 or 3 times, and you have to learn the meaning of the difficult word and do task that is on page number 85. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.